Our daily Sudoku practice continues. Hello, everyone. Welcome. Today, yes, it's weekend. In the weekend edition of Sunday, November the 2nd, November the 3rd, 2024, we have here two regular puzzles. Look, November the 2nd. Two regular puzzles, medium Sudoku with 3 stars, and the samurai Sudoku. This one I will do I will solve Sunday evening, this one. In a minute, I will solve the medium Sudoku. And in this newspaper, we have also a puzzle page. We have a puzzle page with 6 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the 2 stars, 4-star Sudoku, killer Sudoku. We have 2 binaries, one with 3 stars, one with 4 stars. And the last one is a jigsaw Sudoku, aka tectonic. 6 extra puzzles, 4 of them I will solve in the evening, Saturday evening. Tomorrow afternoon, we have a puzzle page, an additional with 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 stars Sudoku. We have 2 jigsaw Sudokus, one with 4 stars. This one I'm looking forward to solve this. This one has 9 printed digits. We have a jigsaw Sudoku with 1 star. In Dutch they call it cyberblock, in Japanese suguru. And the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. These puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve tomorrow afternoon. And in the evening, Sunday evening, I will do the samurai Sudoku. This afternoon I will do the medium Sudoku. And this one will be number 9520. 9520. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 27 printed digits. Should be a 1-star. Yeah, a 1-star puzzle. I need to be faster than 15 minutes. 15 minutes. Well, it's indicated by the publisher with 3 stars for a 3-stars puzzle. I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Question is it a 3 stars or 1-star puzzle? We don't know. We'll see. So let's get started. All right. How about the number 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square? One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in the middle row, no 7 in these 2 boxes. We have 7 in the last column, no 7 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 7 in this big square. Should be there. 7 in the last column, 7 in that column. So the column 3, no, only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 7 in this row, 7 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in the middle column, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row, so in the row below, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 7 in the first column, 7 in the second column, so in the third column, only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We have 7 in the third row, no 7 there, 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 7. 1 in this column, 1 in the third column, so the column 3. In the second column, the only place left for the 1 should be here. 1, 1, 1. Okay, need a 1 here. Need a 1 there. And I need a 1 here. Cannot continue with the 1 now. Need to wait. How about need a 6 here. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of missing numbers 2. We have a 2 in the middle row. No 2 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 in this big square. Should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square. For numbers 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing. 1 in the 6, 1 in the 6. We have a 1 in this column. No 1 there. 1 should be here. And the 6 goes at there. Then, let me see. 1, 1. Okay. How about 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in the first column. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in the first row, so no 4 in this box. These 2 boxes can be 4 because we have a 4 in this big square. So no 4 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left with 4 in this column. First column should be here. 4 in the first column, 4 in the second column. So the third column, the only place left with 4 should be there. 4 in the third row, 4 in the first row. So the row between the second row. Only place left with 4, it should be here. We have a pair. Yeah, we have a pair. In this big square, we have 8 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 1 and a 4. We have a 1 and a 4 in this row, so no 1 and a 4 in these 3 boxes. We have a 1 and a 4 in the middle row, no 1 and a 4 in those 2 boxes. So the 1 and the 4 goes in these 3 boxes. 1 and a 4, 1 and a 4, 1 and a 4. And look, we have 1 and a 4 in the middle column, so no 1 and 4 in this box. 1 and a 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this row for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4. The 5, 6 is, no, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing. Yeah, 8 is missing. 8 in this row, 8 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left with 8 should be there. Then 2 missing numbers now in the first column for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 3 and 9, 3 and 9. We have a 9 in this big square, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 1 box left now in this big square for number 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 2 numbers left now in this column for numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing, 9 is missing, 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have a 9 in the last row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and 8 goes there. Then, let me see. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, the 7 and 8 is missing, 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have 8 in the second row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 2 numbers left in this second row for numbers the 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 2 and 9, 2 and 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 2 goes there. All right. Then, let me see. Need a 1 here. Okay. Let me see. 6 in the third row, 6 in the second row. So in the first row, only 2 places left. 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this column. No 6 there. 6 should be here. 6, 6. Okay. How about 5? Need 8, 5 and 3. Come on. I'm thinking. Need an 8 there. Yeah. Need a 2 here. Yeah, I need a 2 there. I'm stuck here. Cannot believe this. 4, 3, 8, 7, 5. Need a 9 there. Need a 9, and I need a 2, 9, 5. Yeah. 1. 1 in the last column, 1 in the column next. On that column, the only place left 1 should be there. Need a 1 here or there. 3, 5, 8. 8. Yeah. 3 missing. We have an 8 in the first row, 8 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places left 8 should be here or there. We have an 8 in the last column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1 and 2. 3 is missing, the 4 and 5 is missing. 3 and 5, 3 and 5. We have a 3 in the first row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 1 box left now in this column for number 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. Then let me see. 5 and 3. Come on. We have a 9 in the last row. 9 in a row, both on that row. Only 2 places left. 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this column. No 9 there. 9 should be here. 2 numbers left now in the last column. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. And the 6 is missing. 5 and the 6, 5 and the 6. We have a 6 in the last row. No 6 there. 6 should be here. And 5 goes there. 2 numbers left now in this big square. 4 numbers. 1 and 2. The 3 is missing. The 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. We have a 5 in the last row. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 3 goes there. 5. Need a 3 here. Then 4, 8, 2. Then. How about the 6? Need a 6 here. And I need 8 there. Need 8 there. How about these 3, 4, and the 2? Yeah, 2 missing numbers in the last row. 4 numbers. The 1, 2 is missing. The 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. We have a 4 in the middle column. No 4 there. 4 should be here. 2 goes there. I believe we have a pair. The 4 and the 5 in this row. The 4 and the 5 in the last row. So the row between. The only 2 places left for the 4 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and the 5, 4 and the 5. So 1 digit left in this row. 4 number, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 and the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. 1 box left in this big square. For number 1, the 2 is missing. Then 1, 2, 3, 6, 8. 3, 6, 8. Yeah, 3 missing numbers in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1 and 2. 3 is missing. The 4 and the 5. 6 is missing. The 7 and the 8 is missing. 3, 6, 8. 3, 6, 8. 3, 6, 8. 3, 6, 8. And look, we have 3 and a 6 in this column. No 3 and a 6 in this box. 3 and the 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 8. 2 numbers left now in the middle row. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 3 and 9, 3 and 9. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. How about D? Well, 1 box left now in this row. For number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 4 and the 5, we have a 5 now in this column. No 5 there. 5 should be here. 4 goes there. 1 and the 4, we have a 4 in this column. No 4 there. 4 should be here. And a 1 goes there. The 1 in this column, the 1 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square. For numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 2 and the 9, 2 and the 9. We have a 2 in the middle column. No 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 3 and the 9, we have a 9 in the middle column. No 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 3 and the 6, we have 3 in the middle column. No 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 2 in this column. 2 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 2 should be there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square. For numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 6 is missing. 5, the 6, 5, and the 6. We have a 5 in this column. No 5 there. 5 should be here. 6 goes there. Finish in 13 minutes. We solve it again. Well, faster than 15 minutes. Should be a 1 star. Well, I'm faster than 14 and 30 minutes. So 0 stars puzzle. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it solve myself. Thank you again for watching. See you in the evening with other 4 puzzles in the puzzle page. Until then, bye-bye for now and have a great and fantastic Saturday. Until then, bye-bye for now.